Here we go, guys. Back with another episode of Legends of Wrestling. And today we have Build-A-Figure events, Bret Hart, soft good shirt, WrestleMania Elite. Coming from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. 6 foot tall, 235 pounds. WWE Champion, IC Champion, World Tag Team Champion. Returning to win WWE. Returning to the WWE after 12 years, seeking peace to excellence of execution, wound up going to war with Vince McMahon at WrestleMania 26, that looks like. Let's get it open. Factory tape. Sliced them. Tape on the bottom, tape on the top. New background, I haven't seen this one yet. New backdrop. And you have Vince McMahon's legs. Baby. Build-A-Figure Vince legs. Set of mic gripping hands. Bret loose. Out of the pack. What a head scan. Nice head scan, Mattel. Nice head scan, Mattel. Let's see what the Bret body looks like. He's got one elbow pad on. He's got his pink wristbands. He's got all his elite articulation. He's sporting the jean shorts. Double jointed knees. Ankle twist at the top. Pivot front, pivot side, tiny. Top of the arm. Double jointed elbows. Wrist articulation 360. He's got that elite ab crunch. There he is. Ladies and gentlemen. You have Bret Hart. Great head scan, better than the basic head scans. The head scans they had out there. Better than the other Bret Hart. The other elite Bret Hart that was out before this one. There you have them. Let's check out the shirt that we removed. It's just a Bret, like a Heart Foundation logo. Screaming Skull. That's it for this one, guys. Hit the like, share, follow, subscribe to the channel so we can grow. Stinger says, see you later. Vintage Stinger. See you later, guys.